Chapter 13. The Microscope. Anton Leeuwenhoek was Dutch. He sold pincushions, cloth, and such. The waiting townsfolk fumed and fussed as Anton's dry goods gathered dust. He worked instead of tending store at grinding special lenses for a microscope. Some of the things he looked at were mosquitoes' wings, the hairs of sheep, the legs of lice, the skin of people, dogs, and mice. Ox eyes, spider's spinning gear, fish's scales, a little smear of his own blood, and best of all, the unknown, busy, very small bugs that swim and bump and hop inside a simple water drop. Impossible, most Dutchmen said. This Anton's crazy in the head. We ought to ship him off to Spain. He says he's seen a housefly's brain. He says the water that we drink is full of bugs. He's mad, we think. They called him Dummkopf, which means dope. That's how we got the microscope.